Good morning, Mighty Owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Tuesday, December 15th, 2020. It's a B day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDEA South Florida's Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. Yesterday, scholars were doing an amazing job as they reviewed the information they had learned before the test, semester exams, and they were reviewing what they needed to fix so that they could even get better. Nice job, scholars. Also, scholars were in writing class. They were editing. Nice job doing editing in Miss Cerna's writing class. Also, down in pre-K and K, I heard some amazing things about how scholars are learning about the 4 seasons and how you're able to identify the different things that happen in each season. Great job, scholars. Remember, today for 1st and 2nd grade is your math semester exam. So you won't have classes this morning. You'll have classes from 11:30 on today to make sure you can have time to complete your test and get the support you need. Also, remember, Friday is pajama day, so you can wear your pajamas for Friday. Also, Friday is team and family time from 2 to 3, so get on with your teachers so that you can enjoy team and family time. It's a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot hoot!